Hello guys, welcome to my 15th tutorial on XHTML and CSS course. In this video, I'll start by telling you that the links, okay, the links have 4 different states. Okay, they have the default state, the visited, the hover, and the active state. Okay, we're going to learn and use these 4 different states in this video. Before we start, I just want to thank this buddy right here, which his name is Morte, and he was the first. This is the first comment I have in all my videos. Okay, so I just mentioned this buddy. Thanks, Morte, because he deserves it. It's the first comment I have in all my videos. So hope you like the videos, Morte, and hope you like the videos that I still have to put on YouTube. A lot of videos will come out from on-click tutorials, a lot of videos. Okay guys, let's just go and open our notepad. And okay, let's start by in our body. Let's type a link, okay, and this is our link, okay, and I don't want the link to be all this, okay. I just want the word link to be the link. So before the link word, I have to put here my anchor tag, and then href, and let's type here http, and then www YouTube, or no, let's type google.com, and after the link word, I can close the anchor tag. Okay, nice. Let's save it. Let's open it in Chrome or Firefox. And you can see the link is here where I want to. Not the link is not the whole phrase, is only the link word. Okay, so when I click it, I'll go to Google. And but you see this underline here. I don't want the default state of the link to be underlined. Okay, I want to take this underline out. So I have to go to my CSS and type a colon and then link. Okay, and then open and close curly braces. And inside curly braces, we type text, decoration, none. Semicolon, and this will give the attribute text decoration none to the default state of our link, and this will take out the underline here. Okay, you see it's gone. So our link now, it's only a normal word without the underline, that property. Another property we can give is if we want, for example, let's give it a color red. Save it, and let's give, instead of color red, let's give it a size. So give it a font. We type that by doing this font size colon, and then let's give it a 12 pixel size to the default link. Too small. 20 or 16 pixel size. Refresh, Oh my god, Jesus Christ. 20 pixel. There it is. Okay, there it is. This is our link. Okay, without any underline or nothing like that. It's only a link normal word with a 20 pixel size. Okay, so we can define here in size inside the a link selector. We can define all the default attributes of our links in our web pages. Okay, so another state of links is visited. What is this visited? Visited is, as the word says, for the visited links. So if you already clicked a link, we want that link to appear when we come back to that page. We want that we want to know that we already clicked that link, and we can type here inside any decoration that we want to that link to be. So we want to know that we already visited that link. We want the links visited in color red, for example. Okay. Now, another state is hover. Okay, hover is for this state. Hover is when we pass our mouse over a link. Okay, what do we want the link attributes or properties to be? Do we want them to change color or change size or to be underlined when we pass our mouse over it? Okay, so let's type a color, for example. Every time I pass my mouse over the link, I want a color. I want it to be color, let's say, orange. Sorry, orange. Okay. My column, and I want orange, and I want, okay, let's see first if it works. So refresh, and you see it changes from red, it changes to orange. Okay, it's red. Some of you are asking now, why is it red? Because we already visited that link, and we put this property here that every link we visited has to be in color red. So we already visited this before, so it's red now. But every time we pass over it with our mouse, it changes to orange. Okay, as we mentioned here, orange. And I want it to be underlined also. So let's type text decoration underline, and you'll see, and let's type another property like size. So font type font size 30 pixels. Okay, save it, refresh, and there it is. Okay, it changes the color, it goes underline, and it changes the size. Okay, so this is the hover state. Okay, hover, it's when we pass our mouse over it. Now we have another, let's delete the font size. I don't like that kind of property. Changes the font. Let's learn the last state, which is called the active state. And active state is the state that the link has when we press it. Okay, when we have our mouse over it and we press the link without and leave our finger pressed, and we leave the button pressed of our mouse. Okay, it changes to the properties that we want and put here. So I want it to be, let's say, let's give it a background color, and let's give it a blue. Okay, save it, and now refresh. Okay, when we pass over the word without clicking it, the word or the link have these attributes here: color orange, text decoration, underline. Okay, you see? Okay, but when we click it and leave, don't take your finger off. Just press it and leave it pressed in your bottom, in your not bottom, in your button on the mouse. Okay, you leave it pressed, and your link changes the background as we told it to change in the active state. Okay, you see? We leave it we press it, and the background changes. Okay, I don't use this kind of state for the links that I use. Normally I just use a hover state and change it to another color or something like that. But I don't use the active state. Okay, but if you ever want to use it, here it is. Okay, so you just have to type this, and inside you can type anything you want, even the size. Let's change, just for the fun of it, font size, and type 35 pixel size. Save it. Okay, now press it and leave it pressed, and okay, there it is. Okay, changes the background color and changes the size to 35 pixels. Okay. Okay guys, this is all for this video. If you guys have any questions or any doubts about this, states on the different states of the links, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment sections below. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys later. Bye.